Hi, so the first thing you want to do is open up your File Explorer and go to OneDrive. So navigate to the left hand side, make sure that you're signed in and your files are being synced, and then find the file that you wish to share, right click on it and then go down to share. This new menu will pop up and you'll be able to add in your classmates or your teacher's name. Just type them in and then find them. You can add in a helpful message, for example, this is my coursework, and then just hit send when you're ready. If that doesn't work, you can always go to the OneDrive login on Google Chrome, add in your email and then go next, and then you'll have to add in your password. So basically the same sign in as you would for any other college device. Then once you have signed in and it's loaded up, you can navigate to My Files and then find that exact file that you wish to share. Just click that same icon, search for your teacher's name, add in a helpful message, and then once all of that is done, you can hit send again.